The Plumley Village Health Center is now a month away from shutting its doors permanently. Tuesday, a coalition brought their concerns to the city council meeting and rallied in downtown Worcester. The group says closing the community health center puts a large number of patients without the proper services, and the city needs to help. Our Cam Jandrow joins us now live with the details. Cam?
Anna, City Councilor Sarai Rivera is asking the city manager to work with UMass so come July when the center closes its doors, patients don't just fall through the cracks. Now tonight, the coalition hosting a rally in front of City Hall in hopes of spreading that message.
Plumley Village Health Center is set to close in a month. Employees and patients are afraid of what it will mean for their neighborhood.
They don't know where to go. They don't know who to talk to. Lots of them have language issues and cultural issues that become barriers to them finding and accessing health care on their own.
The Plumley Clinic Coalition rallied in front of Worcester City Hall Tuesday. The group says nearly 2,000 people will have to find new services and says half of the patients speak little to no English.
I'm just hoping that this creates the awareness that's necessary for health equity, the discrepancies in terms of race, I think, and class.
In a statement, UMass Memorial Medical Center says, "We are committed to helping the Plumley Village Health Services patients find new providers. We have staff available to explain the process to these patients and to answer any of their questions." The center's community engagement coordinator, Lucelia De Jesus, says adjusting to new providers is what has patients worried.
The first fear was, I'm losing my doctor, because this is a doctor that was with them for many years, for many of them.
UMass Memorial reaffirmed the Plumley Village Center will close in July. The coalition is worried about whether or not patients will have access to proper care by the time it happens.
There's going to be a gap. I mean, it's not officially closed until July 10. So there's that concern because they're still being seen, but there is going to be a gap.
They feel like they've been abandoned by the people who said that they would look out for them.
Now at tonight's City Council meeting, Mayor Joseph Petty saying he'd get in contact with UMass and talk to them about what they're going to do to help these patients. He also went on the record saying this is a big loss for the community.